Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this GloDrv H11 LED headlamp bulbs. So these were provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase some of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Okay, so we have some gloves, we have the manual, and then we have the light bulbs. Let's take a quick look at the manual. So here we have the installation guide, and this lists the bulbs it's applicable to. So you have the H11, H8, H9, a couple others. It says twist out the original bulb, insert the bulb as the direction of the arrow, lock the bulb by rotating 45 degrees clockwise, and then plug in the power cord. And here are a number of cautions. You want to test the bulb before you install it. So you can plug it in and turn it on, make sure it's going to light up. Now if your old bulb isn't burned out, it could be very hot, so you want to let it cool down. You don't want to touch the LED chip on the new bulb. If it doesn't turn on, turn the plug around because the polarity may be backwards. Make sure you have the power off while you're installing it, and then keep the packaging. So here's some more instructions for a different model of the bulb, and some here too. And here's some troubleshooting. We have frequently asked questions on the back side. Here we have a product overview. We have the lamp body, LED chips, power connector, locking ring, heat sink. And here we have some specs. The color temperature is 6500 K. So this comes with these gloves, so you don't get the oil of your skin on the bulbs. So I'll put those on. So they're a little bit tight. Needless to say, I'm not going to be wearing these for hours, but they'll do the job. So I'll pull the bulbs out. So here are the bulbs. It has this cast body. It has this gasket seal. So this body is all metal. On the back side here we have a fan. So that's to cool the bulb. And here on the back side of the bulb it says H11, so you know which model this is. So I'm going to be installing these in a Subaru Outback. So let's head out to the car and get them installed. Okay, I'm out here at my 2016 Subaru Outback. I'm on the passenger side headlamp. So if you see multiple lights, this is the one furthest towards the edge of the car. So there are two ways you can do this. You can remove the cord first, or you can remove the bulb and then remove the cord. So I will remove the bulb. I'll turn it counterclockwise. I'll pull it out carefully. Don't force it. Then I'll press down on this tab and pull the bulb out. There we go. Now I will install the LED bulb. So I'll press that in. Okay, so now I'll turn the headlights on to see if that's working. So that was not working. I may have the polarity wrong. Let me try it the other way. So now we can see the bulb is working. It's very bright. So now I'm going to put this in the housing. So I'll start it at an angle and I'll wiggle it until it fits in the slots. And then I'll rotate it clockwise. So it's compressing that gasket, and now it's installed. So I'm going to repeat this task on the other side, and then we'll go take it on a test drive. So it's a little bit tighter of a fit on the driver's side because the battery's here. You could take it out, but I have decent sized hands and I was able to get in there. Okay, so I'm going to go take this for a drive, but you can see the pattern on the garage door there. So I'll shoot a little clip of this as I back out, and then I'll shoot a clip from the road. Okay, so this is a dark section of road here, and you can see the headlights are very bright. There's no banding in it, and the visibility is very good. So those are the GloDrv LED headlights. If you're looking to upgrade your halogen headlights to LED, I think this is a great option. I really like the build quality of these. They have that nice metal body, and they have the fan in there so it acts as a heat sink, so it keeps them cool. They're very easy to install, and they have that nice white light. So when you're driving at night, it can make it easier to see animals and debris on the road and help you drive safer. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.